so I guess Dish Boy has to read the names from this group photo. The inaugural San Diego truck race in the group photo are
Jimmy Johnson, Justin Marks, Austin Varco, Jackson Lee, Christian X, Corey Lajoie, Kaz Grella, Ben Rhodes, Cole Butcher, Grant Enfinger, Landon Lewis, Nathan Nicholson, Tyler Afe, Connor Mozak, Tyler Ankrum, Caden Honeycutt, Adam Andretti, Tanner Gray, Stuart Friesen, Chandler Smith, Lane Riggs, Jair Ruggiero, Chris Wright, Dawson Sutton, Frankie Muniz, Brendan Gorn, Andres P.A. Tilda Copyright Res Delara, Minnie Tyrrell, Jamie McMurray, Justin Haley, Brendan Queen, Jay Garcia, and Dean Majski, with Parker Kleigerman absent in the photo. It makes you want to play with a little understanding.
With a little understanding.
Will there be a group photo of the O'Reilly gang and the Cup gang too? We'll find out tomorrow. Supernova Cindy's today. DNF updates that Stuart Friesen and Jamie McMurray are out of the race. My guy Caden Honeycutt has got damaged just earlier. Honeycutt missed turn 2 again and hit the tire barrier and outside wall pretty hard with the right rear. We also have reports that Frankie Muniz's truck being damaged is strong. Will Jimmy Johnson win this trucks race at San Diego? We were waiting for 6 months for this race. Jimmy Johnson's second truck start. I hope he wins here. Reports that Grant Enfinger and Brendan Gauhan got damage to their trucks. With Brendan Gauhan, that will end his day. 17 laps to go. Wade Draper was there earlier. It seemed Le Seraphim, Cat's Eye, and Islet just peaked in the Australian charts. With their new song, Iconic by Mistake, peaked at number 39 in Australia, and number 22 in the UK. No kidding. Nathan Nicholson is actually third currently with only 14 laps to go. And Jimmy Johnson is dropped out of the top 10.